This is an example of a site we're just in the middle of for Wessex Water at the moment. This is basically as the site was given to us with the existing intake screen, but they have to make it compliant with the eel regulations, so they need a 2mm intake screen putting in there. The first thing that sort of you notice on this is these 3 red lines across the top of the screen. That's actually an 11,000 volt power line going over the top, right over the top of the intake. So they said right at the beginning, is there a way we can get this screen into the intake without having to use a crane? So we managed to design a gantry and a sort of a system of rollers and things where you can lift the screen halfway out, then pivot it around with some rollers and then just pull it out horizontally. And that entirely avoids the need for a crane, both for installation but also if the screen ever needs to come out for future maintenance. And we can just use the same gantry just for pulling it out, laying it horizontally in the intake and then doing any work and then just sliding it back in again. It's a good example, I think, of when once we understand the client's problems, how we can sort of come up with a design solution around it, which will, save them a lot of money into the future.